Take one. We got Heather up. I can't see her face. There she is. We got Heather's YouTube channel. Truck driving school, week 9. Today she's gonna be showing us how to do a 90. After we fucked up for 6 weeks. Today we're gonna get it right, Heather.
It's not been 6 weeks. He's lying.
And she's going without Ron. The instructor is not here and she's moving. Keep on trucking. She's now moving out of her alley dock. As you can see, she's coming on that hard left right there. Ah! My whole foot just got wet. And as she gets the front end of her vehicle straight, she's gonna go hard right. There it is. That's a better angle right there. If she turns left, it's going to move that trailer slow. If she turns right, it's going to move it fast. All right, Heather, give it all you got. This is going on YouTube. This on the channel. Just want to see about a foot of that landing gear. She's going to come on to maybe 2 turns to the left. Right about there. That's where you are, Heather. As she comes. Oops, sorry. She's going to come on that left right about there. That's your landing gear. Right there, she's go give it straight, straighten out your wheels, center wheels, go back just, straighten out those wheels. Alright, just going to pull up a little bit. Straighten out those wheels a little bit. I center the wheels to go back a little bit. Pause.